Embarking on a weight loss transformation is an exciting journey, but it often comes with its own set of challenges, particularly stress. Managing stress is crucial during this process, as it can significantly impact your progress and overall well-being. When stress levels rise, the body produces cortisol, a hormone that can lead to weight gain, especially around the abdomen. Understanding how to navigate stress effectively can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey. In this video, we'll explore the vital connection between stress management and successful weight loss. We'll share practical tips to help you stay calm and focused, ensuring that you remain consistent in your efforts. From mindfulness techniques to simple breathing exercises, you'll discover strategies that can easily fit into your daily routine. Moreover, we'll delve into some eye-opening medical statistics that highlight the importance of stress management. Did you know that studies show individuals who practice stress reduction techniques are more likely to achieve their weight loss goals? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the impact of stress on your body, but also feel empowered with actionable steps to keep stress at bay. So, stick around as we guide you through this transformative journey, helping you to not just lose weight, but also cultivate a healthier mindset along the way. Step 1. Identify the sources of stress in your weight loss journey. The first step in managing stress during your weight loss journey is to identify its sources. Reflecting on personal triggers is essential. Consider aspects of your life that may contribute to stress, such as work pressures, challenging relationships, or even unrealistic expectations you set for yourself. Acknowledging these triggers is crucial, as they can significantly impact your motivation and progress. One effective way to pinpoint these stressors is by keeping a journal. Documenting your daily experiences allows you to track your stress levels and identify patterns over time. You might notice that certain situations, like a demanding work project or conflicts with loved ones, consistently elevate your stress. By recognizing these patterns, you can develop strategies to address them proactively. It's important to understand that stress can hinder not only your weight loss progress, but also your overall health. Elevated stress levels can lead to emotional eating, fatigue, and a lack of motivation to exercise. By identifying and addressing the sources of stress, you empower yourself to take control of your journey. This awareness will help you create a more balanced approach to weight loss, allowing you to focus on your goals without the weight of stress holding you back. Remember, acknowledging your stressors is the first step toward a healthier, more fulfilling transformation. Step 2. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine. Once you've identified the sources of stress in your weight loss journey, the next step is to incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. Engaging in regular physical activity is one of the most effective ways to alleviate stress. Activities like yoga or walking not only help you stay active, but also promote relaxation and mental clarity. Yoga, in particular, combines physical movement with mindfulness, making it a powerful tool for reducing stress while enhancing your overall well-being. In addition to physical activity, practicing mindfulness techniques can significantly benefit your mental health. Meditation and deep breathing exercises are excellent ways to center yourself and manage stress. Just a few minutes of focused breathing can help calm your mind and reduce anxiety, making it easier to stay committed to your weight loss goals. Moreover, it's essential to schedule time for hobbies or relaxation in your routine. Whether it's reading, painting, or simply enjoying a warm bath, dedicating time to activities you love can provide a much-needed balance to your weight loss efforts. This not only helps to reduce stress, but also fosters a positive mindset, making your journey more enjoyable. By integrating these stress-reducing activities into your daily life, you'll create a supportive environment that encourages both physical and mental health, ultimately leading to a more successful weight loss transformation. Step 3. Maintain a balanced diet to support mental health. Maintaining a balanced diet is crucial not only for physical health, but also for supporting your mental well-being during your weight loss journey. Including nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can significantly boost your mood and energy levels. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help combat stress and promote overall mental clarity. For instance, leafy greens and berries are known to enhance brain function and reduce feelings of anxiety. Staying hydrated is another essential aspect of maintaining mental health. Dehydration can lead to increased stress levels and fatigue, making it harder to stay focused on your weight loss goals. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon into your meals. This simple habit can make a noticeable difference in how you feel both physically and mentally. Additionally, it's wise to limit your intake of caffeine and sugar. While these substances may provide a temporary energy boost, they can also exacerbate anxiety and lead to mood swings. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives, such as herbal teas or snacks rich in protein and healthy fats. By prioritizing a balanced diet that supports your mental health, you'll create a solid foundation for your weight loss journey, making it easier to manage stress and stay committed to your goals. Remember, what you eat plays a significant role in how you feel. Step 4. Set realistic and achievable weight loss goals. Setting realistic and achievable weight loss goals is a vital step in your transformation journey. Health experts recommend aiming for a gradual weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. This approach not only promotes sustainable results but also minimizes the risk of frustration and burnout. Rapid weight loss can often lead to unhealthy habits and yo-yo dieting, so focusing on steady progress is key. To make your journey more manageable, break larger goals into smaller, achievable milestones. For example, instead of fixating on losing 30 pounds, set a goal to lose 5 pounds at a time. Celebrating these smaller victories can boost your motivation and reinforce positive behaviors. Each milestone reached is a testament to your hard work and dedication, making the overall journey feel less daunting. It's also essential to avoid comparing your journey to others. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Focusing on your personal path allows you to appreciate your unique progress and challenges. Remember, weight loss is not just about the numbers on the scale. It's about creating a healthier lifestyle that works for you. By setting realistic goals and celebrating your achievements, you'll cultivate a positive mindset that supports your weight loss journey, making it a fulfilling and empowering experience. Stay committed to your goals and trust the process. Step 5. Seek support from friends, family, or professionals. Seeking support from friends, family, or professionals is a crucial step in your weight loss journey. Surrounding yourself with a positive support network can provide the encouragement and motivation you need to stay on track. One effective way to find this support is by joining a weight loss group or an online community. These platforms offer a space to share experiences, celebrate successes, and receive advice from others who understand the challenges you face. The camaraderie found in these groups can be incredibly uplifting and can help you stay committed to your goals. Additionally, consider working with a registered dietitian or therapist for personalized guidance. A dietitian can help you create a tailored meal plan that aligns with your weight loss goals while ensuring you meet your nutritional needs. Meanwhile, a therapist can assist you in addressing any emotional or psychological barriers that may hinder your progress. Their expertise can provide valuable insights and strategies to help you navigate your journey more effectively. Don't underestimate the power of sharing your goals with loved ones. By communicating your intentions, you create a support network that can cheer you on during tough times. Whether it's a family member who joins you for workouts or a friend who checks in on your progress, having people who care about your success can make a significant difference. Remember, you don't have to go through this journey alone. Seeking support can enhance your experience and lead to lasting results. Step 6. Monitor your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Monitoring your progress is an essential component of a successful weight loss journey. Keeping track of your journey through apps or journals allows you to visualize your achievements and identify patterns in your behavior. Documenting your weight, meals, and exercise routines can provide valuable insights into what works best for you and where adjustments may be necessary. This self-awareness is key to staying on track and making informed decisions about your strategies. As you monitor your progress, it's important to evaluate what works and what doesn't. Be flexible in your approach. If a particular diet or exercise routine isn't yielding the results you hoped for, don't hesitate to try something new. Adapting your strategies based on your experiences can lead to more effective outcomes and keep your journey fresh and engaging. Celebrating small victories is another vital aspect of maintaining motivation and reducing stress. Whether it's losing a few pounds, completing a challenging workout, or simply sticking to your meal plan for a week, acknowledging these achievements can boost your confidence and reinforce positive behaviors. Reward yourself in healthy ways, such as treating yourself to a new workout outfit or enjoying a relaxing day off. By monitoring your progress and celebrating your successes, you'll cultivate a positive mindset that supports your weight loss goals, making the journey not just about the destination but also about enjoying the process along the way. In this video, we've explored the crucial connection between managing stress and achieving successful weight loss. We discussed how stress can hinder your progress and overall health, making it essential to identify its sources and incorporate effective stress-reducing activities into your routine. By maintaining a balanced diet, setting realistic goals, and seeking support from friends, family, or professionals, you can create a solid foundation for your weight loss journey. We also emphasize the importance of monitoring your progress and being flexible in your strategies. Remember, it's not just about the destination. Celebrating small victories along the way can significantly boost your motivation and help you stay committed to your goals. As you embark on this transformative journey, we encourage you to stay consistent and implement the strategies shared in this video. Managing stress effectively will not only enhance your weight loss efforts, but also contribute to your overall well-being. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can create a supportive community focused on health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll continue to provide valuable tips and strategies for your weight loss journey.